Thank you for taking the time to find out more about our just released report, Mobile Marketing to Life Scientists. Still in its nascent stage, connecting with scientists via mobile devices presents a new way for suppliers to get face time with scientists. The infrastructure is fairly well developed, and scientists, like the rest of the population, are increasingly relying on PDAs, smartphones, and tablets for use at work. This report is designed to instruct suppliers on scientists' mobile device usage and preferences, and to provide guidance as to how to move forward with a mobile device marketing strategy. First, we'll take a look at what's in the report. Then we'll review some key findings, and finally we'll wrap up with how you can take advantage of our report promotion. The 4 areas covered in this report are as follows: how scientists are currently using their mobile devices, how they're using their mobile devices in the lab, types of mobile apps scientists use and would like to use, and finally, preferences for how suppliers communicate with scientists through their handheld devices. The project team for this report was led by Dr. Tamara Zemlo, who's been the lead scientific analyst on over 80 syndicated market reports. The report contains over 60 charts and graphs and is loaded with key findings and analyses critical to developing a mobile marketing strategy that targets what laboratories want. 540 scientists from North America, Europe, and rest of the world participated in this survey between June 13th and June 28th, 2012. So let's take a look at several key findings. One of our most significant findings was that 1/4 of scientists are highly interested in researching products and accessing coupons from suppliers via their handheld devices, and another 35% expressed that they're somewhat interested in doing this as well. Given that roughly 60% of scientists are open and even eager to connect with suppliers via mobile devices, life science companies can ill afford to wait and see whether or not mobile platforms will be a viable marketing channel. Speed of adoption will be limited only by the amount of time it takes suppliers to put a mobile strategy in place. 89% of scientists surveyed use portable or mobile devices, and of those who plan to, 83% indicate they'll use them in the next 12 months. These devices allow scientists to stay informed, gather information, and communicate with others without being physically limited by their location. Not surprisingly, junior scientists are spending more time using apps on their handheld devices than mid and senior level scientists. What's interesting is that mid-level scientists are a close second, and senior level scientists are not far behind. This finding can inform the types of apps that would be most widely used. Also in this report, but not shown here, are the amount of time spent using mobile apps by region and amount of time spent per day browsing the web by both region and years of experience. Push notifications that appear as alert messages when an app is opened or directly on one's mobile device are equally popular alternatives for scientists in the rest of the world. In contrast, more scientists in North America and Europe tend to favor receiving alert messages when an app is opened. So why should you buy this report? This study was conducted by a staff of scientific and business analysts with years of experience in doing market research for major suppliers in the life science industry. As the sponsor of the Science Advisory Board, a global market research panel with 70,000 members, we have direct access to our members. What this means is that we know a lot about our respondents and that the survey takers are highly qualified. This report will inform your sales strategy, and the electronic format allows you all to work from the same page. You can start using the data as soon as the report arrives in your inbox. With the purchase of our reports, you get a complimentary hour of consultation. An analyst will be available to answer questions about the report or bounce around what-if scenarios with you. I'm confident you'll find this report to be the analysis you need to inform your mobile marketing strategy. So you may want to take advantage of our early pricing opportunity, which ends on August 17th. Until August 17, 2012, Take advantage of our early pricing, which is almost a 25% reduction in price on the price of a company-wide electronic copy. If you're ready to start using this report today, call me. I'll help you get that processed. But if you need more detail on the report, check out the executive summary on gene2drug.com. Thank you for spending a few minutes to learn more about our report and how it might be helpful to you.